Good day to everybody out there. This is See Thy Wealth, Water Your Health, drink a glass of water. And we out here at the front of the property where we planted lots of fruit trees. Here's a dwarf plum right here, a dwarf plum, right? Here is a sea grape right here. We have multiple coconut palms here in the front. We have one behind the camera, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's lining the driveway right here. We also have a couple banana trees right behind us up here, right behind me, as you can see. We have a lot of different fruit trees over here. This is a cinnamon right here, We have the mulberry, couple more coconuts right here, coconut here, coconut there, right? We have a blogo banana right here. More cinnamon, more blogo banana, custard apple, Jamaican lime over there. We have a lot of different fruit trees right here. Let me tell you something. Right now we're in a day and time where we're not too familiar or too sure about where our next meal is going to come from. We think it's going to come from McDonald's. We think it's going to come from going to Whole Foods. We think it's going to come from Food Lion or any other particular venue where we get our food from. But what if you woke up tomorrow and the grocery stores said that they had 3 more days of supply remaining? What are you going to do? How are you going to feed yourself? How are you going to feed your family? How are you going to sustain your life? As you can see out here, we have lots of fruit trees, an abundance of fruit trees, some producing, some that aren't. Behind us, we have the star fruit, we have the star apple, we have more coconuts, the craboo, plantain, cherry trees, mango. We have lots of abundance out here. We have a couple mangoes that we planted here from seed. We have an avocado tree over here. We have an avocado tree right here. This avocado tree was producing when I first moved to the property, but our permaculture guy suggested that we do a hard prune. So that's what we did. We pruned it really, really hard up top there and then on the side here. But as you can see, it's coming back in, which I'm thankful for. We have several different herbs. We have some thyme that is surrounding us. We have thyme here. We have basil over there. We had some oregano here, but it died. We have some soursop right here. Another blogo banana right here. We have the palapita banana back there. We have some plantain. We have lots of different fruit here. You know why? Because we want to make sure that we're in control of our life. We want to make sure that we're in control of, if we were to get an announcement on our phone saying, hey, there isn't going to be any more transportation, no more trains, no more planes, no more automobiles because the gas is done, no more grocery stores. We are making sure that we're in a position to take care of ourselves, to take care of our loved ones, to take care of our family in case there is a situation where we can't do for self. Now, me personally, I live off the grid. No electrical hookup, although we have electrical wires behind us. I chose not to use that because in this country, as well as other countries, when you have electrical hookup and you're paying for a third party, you're paying for it through a third party, they have the ability to turn your shit off and on whenever they give a damn, even if you pay for it. Without having my hookup to them and only relying on the solar, I don't worry about that. We have a well that's dug down into the ground that has the proper techniques to bring us water through our electrical system, through our pumps, so we have fresh water coming throughout our house. We have rain catchment systems on the side of our home, so where we can get the rainwater that comes on and slides off the side of our home down into a cistern, right? We don't have a mortgage, so we're not worried about the banks. We're not worried about nobody if we don't pay a bill. And guess what? So we don't have a mortgage. We don't have a water bill. We don't have an electrical bill. We're working on not having a food bill. You tell me, what do I need to leave this property for? What do I have to go to work for? And am I truly self-sustainable at that point? I would say yes, I am truly self-sustainable. No, I don't have to go work for anybody, because once these mangoes start producing again, I'll take the mangoes and I'll go sell them. We also have another, not mango, avocado. We also have another avocado right behind us. It was about 25 feet away, right? We have an apple tree. Listen, man, we do this for real. We are not playing any games with this life of abundance. We have another banana tree right here, right? We have an apple tree right here, right? More raspberry that's coming up the side here. So we want to make sure that we are taken care of in the event that there's a default by the United States government, by this country's government, by any government around the planet. We want to make sure that we can still wake up, come to the garden, grab some mango, grab a papaya, grab an avocado, lettuce, tomato, cucumber, avocado, kale. We want to make sure that we can come out here. We got cacao growing behind us. We got 5 cacao trees growing behind us. Bamboo, gumbo limbo. I mean, it's an assortment and an abundance of herbs, plants, fruit trees, vegetables. It's just so much. And we will never go hungry out here. And I'm begging you to go out and get you some land. Because I quit my 9 to 5. I calculated how much money I had in the bank, right? How long it was going to last me before I decided to leave my job and be an entrepreneur. Once I realized, oh, I got 8 months worth of money sitting in my bank account for my expenses for the next 8 months, I know that I can get a deal done, or 2 or 3 within this next 8 months to sustain me for another additional 8 to 10 months to a year, whatever. So I could continue to stay off this clock, so I could put my time and energy in the things that are going to be conducive to me getting off the clock and to me becoming more self-sustainable. Because there's no way that I'm gonna keep making all this money and spending it just as much as I make it. No, I'm gonna spend and invest that money so that money can return and bring a return on that investment. Just like these plants, these fruit trees are going to bring a return on my investment 4, 5, 7, 8 years down the road from now. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of abundance going on here. I mean, I don't think y'all really understand what we're trying to do out here. That's why we're showing you. That's why we're showing you when the mangoes start to produce, we can come out here and, because listen, mangoes in the States, organic and Whole Foods, $5.99, $4.99, $3.99 sometimes during a good season. Organic. We got plenty of mango trees out here. I just came from the back or the middle section of the property was a mango orchard. Over there we have and those mango trees are flowering now, by the way. They weren't giving any fruits because they were too close together. They weren't getting any sun. And now I just had those cut down probably about 2 weeks ago, 2.5 weeks ago. And now they're starting to bud, or starting to flower already because the season is coming up. The season is coming. And we're going to be ready to get all of the plants that we can from those mango trees when it's time. Lots of coconuts, lots of other different trees too. But you know what? We're gonna bask in all of the abundance that's over here that we're able to show you, right? Look, we planted this about a week and a half ago. Look at it, it's already banana, Bluggo banana. Actually, no, this is the actual baby banana, like those ones right there. And they're already coming in as well. So yeah, we live this life for real. We don't play with it. We're not doing nothing that's foreign. All is nothing new under the sun. Everything that it's never nothing new under the sun. It's all about what you do and how it's done. And we're doing it on our level with our own energy, with our own swag, and with our own techniques. And we're learning from the ground level. I've never been a farmer. I've never been a gardener. I've never been someone that came out here and designed an off-grid estate, didn't go to college, don't have a degree, barely finished high school, got in trouble for selling drugs, being a petty drug dealer. I mean, if you come out here and tell me that it's not possible and how did I get that and it was some type of underhanded shit, then you, sir or ma'am, are sadly mistaken. You got to do your homework, you got to do your research, and you got to put your focus into trying to do something that's better than what you're doing today, which is gossiping, talking about what somebody else is doing, being constructive and criticizing everybody else except for taking a look at your life, planning what you need to do, writing your goals down, creating an action plan, and actually doing the things that you want to do. So you're not running around complaining about what someone isn't and what they are doing for you. I'm sorry, that's just a lot of mosquitoes, a lot of bugs. I'm being bitten, and that's okay. This is what I chose. I'm happy to be here. You know, I just wanted you guys to see what I'm living, how I'm living. And this isn't even the half. This is just a partial, minute, small part of the property. And we probably got about 40 to 50 fruit trees just over here in this section right here. Not even counting over there across the driveway. And then we're gonna work out. So there's a lot of different plans that I have for the property, but we'll talk about that in another video. For now, I'm gonna leave y'all with this. It's Monday, the first week after Christmas. New Year's is coming up this weekend. Don't wait till the New Year's to get started on your goals. Don't wait till the New Year's to get started on your plan. Don't wait till the new year. Start today. There's not a promise of tomorrow. Start today. And with that, I appreciate y'all for tapping in. This is See Thy Wealth, water your health. Drink a glass of water.